Charging cable na kayang mag-adjust or mag-stop once fully charged na yung device mo. This is the newest fast charging cable from Joyroom. Para sa mga mahilig mag-charge habang natutulog, mas okay talagang gumamit ng cable na may built-in safety features tulad nito. Pinaka-importante para sa akin is yung smart automatic power off feature niya, which is designed talaga para mag-adjust or mag-stop yung charging kapag fully charged na yung device mo. Fast charging na din siya and it supports up to 100 watts charging kaya pwede sa phones, tablets, at laptops. Hindi lang pang charge, may high-speed data transmission na din siya so pwede kang mag-transfer ng files and photos nang hindi ka naghihintay ng matagal. It also comes with 9-layer safety protection laban sa overheat, short circuit, at power surge. Meron na din siyang charging status indicator para alam mo kung fast charging, normal charging, or fully charged na yung phone Braided mo. Na din yung cable kaya mas premium and mas matibay. This is also compatible with our Manzana's phones, Android, iPad, Mac, tapos meron pa siyang 24-month replacement warranty. So kung gusto mo ng mas safe at mas worry-free na charging setup, this Joyroom fast charging cable is worth checking out. Bye!